Hello everyone, in this video we will just create passport size images in MS Word just in a few minutes. Okay, so let's get started. Before starting, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So we will create 8 images, okay, passport sizes. So let's take a new file, a blank page. Okay, so let's first of all prepare the size. We would like to have 8 images passport size. For that, let's come here to the layout. In the layout, just come here to the insert. In the insert, just come here to the more paper size, and the paper, just come here and select here we will select now the width. The width would be 6 inch. Okay, just add quotation, it means inch. Okay, and the height would be 4 inch, add quotation. So let's press OK. So the size is added. This is our page. We will just prepare our images here. Now let's insert an image. Insert pictures from this device, and let's select an image. So let's select this one. This is an image which I have selected. Okay, we cannot move this right now, so we can press this icon or just come here on the wrap text in the picture format and press in front of text. After that we can move it. Now we will just add the size of these images. So the size of the passport size images is, so let's add first of all in inch, 1.68 or 67 quotation, it means inch, so that has converted to the centimeter, and 1.728 inch, so that has converted to centimeter. So after preparing the size of the image, so now let's move it here, place it here, and just now press Control button, and just by the left control of the mouse, just drag it. We will make a copy of this, leave everything, and again press Control and by mouse drag it to take another copy. Take another copy, press Control and by mouse take another copy. Just leave a little bit space between that. So we have just copied them. So now let's select this one and this one and this one and also this one, and let's take another copy from this. Press Control and by mouse drag it. So we took another copy from our images. So it is the page that we have created. So now let's press Control P. How it looks like in print, it will looks like this. Okay, whenever you print it, so it will be like this. Just by scissor you can just cut them in these places and these white places on the border. We can also add a border to the every image, so I forgot that. So to add the border, come here to the picture format, and here on the picture border we can add the border, okay, to every image as we did. So it was all about creating passport size images in MS Word. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.